Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore card controls in Capital One app step by step clearly. Open the Capital One app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your username and password. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the card for which you want to restore controls. Scroll down to find the Card Controls section. If you don't see this section, tap on Manage or Settings. Look for the option labeled Restore Card Controls or something similar. Tap on this option to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity using biometric authentication or a one-time code. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will see the option to restore card controls. Tap on Restore to re-enable the features you wish to use. Review the summary of the restored controls. If everything looks correct, confirm your selections and finalize the changes. You should receive a confirmation message that your card controls have been restored. Return to the home screen to see the updated card controls available for your use. Congratulations, you have successfully restored the card controls in the Capital One app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.